Uh-oh. You're not there. Bank angle, 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 bank angle. That would be most like United States flight 191. That is so realistic. What other types of practice should I do? Ooh. His toys.